Imagine this. You're a developer, excited to add a new feature to your program. You write your code, hit save, and boom, the program crashes and you can't go back. Frustrating, right? This exact incident happened to Linus Torvalds. You know this guy, right? He is the creator of Linux. Annoyed by the chaos of managing code changes, he developed a tool in 2005 called GIT. Fast forward to today, and over 95% of projects worldwide rely on GIT for version control. But what exactly is GIT, and how does it work? GIT is a version control system that helps you track changes to files and collaborate with others on projects. Think of it as a time machine for your code. It allows you to save different versions, making it easy to revert back if something goes wrong. At the heart of Git is a magical box called a repository. This repository holds all your files and their entire history. Before diving into Git, let's familiarize ourselves with some essential terms. 1. Commit. Picture this as a snapshot of your project at a specific moment. Each commit has a unique ID and includes details like who made the changes and why. 2. Branch. Think of branches as separate paths in your project's development. The default branch is usually called main or master, but you can create new branches for features or fixes without affecting the main project. 3. Merge. This is how you combine changes from different branches. Sometimes, if two people change the same line of code, you might encounter a conflict that you'll need to resolve. 4. Clone. When you clone a repository, you're creating a local copy on your computer. This lets you work offline while still having access to the full project. 5. Push. After making changes locally, you can push your commits to the remote repository so others can see your updates. Now, let's get started with installing Git. Head over to the official Git website and download the installer for your operating system. You can use Git through the command line or opt for a graphical user interface, GUI, if you prefer a more visual approach. Once installed, you'll want to configure Git with your name and email. This helps track who made which changes. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of Git. If you're eager to learn more, I recommend checking out some excellent tutorials on YouTube. If you found this overview helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and happy coding!